in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can get 1000 TikTok followers in 5 minutes. You don't need any website, you don't need to sign up for anything. I was just searching on YouTube about how to get followers, and I found a lot of people trying to promote different websites, or most of these websites are fake, and don't even click on any video that says go to this website, or you have to go to this website to download app so that you can get followers. These people are fake, okay? They are just trying to make money, because whenever you download an app, they make money, okay? So that's why I'm making this video, guys. I don't want you guys to waste your time downloading fake apps and stuff like that. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the best way to get 1000 TikTok followers. Now, I made a video about this 1 year ago, and a lot of people got 1000 TikTok followers, but this video is old, so I said why not make a new video so that I can show you guys how you can get 1000 TikTok followers. As you can see, the title was how to get 1000 TikTok followers in 1 minute, and people now, they don't get as you can see, people seem to like these kind of videos. But the problem with this video is people that watch this video right now, they won't get 1000, they only get 50, or as you can see, it worked. Although I never got 1000 followers, I did go from 0 to 50 in 1 minute. Not so bad. So a lot of people don't get 1000 anymore, so that's why I'm making this video. I want to show you guys how you can get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute, and this is the best way, and this is a new idea, guys, okay? So as you can see, people seem to like this video, how to export. I'm grateful, you're a lifesaver. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get 1000 TikTok followers. As you can see, this guy said I gained 30 followers in around 15 minutes. You all keep doing it more than just 5 times, but takes breaks in between. It does work. So this is an old method. Like I said, I come up with a new idea that will get you 1000 TikTok followers, okay? Let me start right now. Let me just open my phone, and yeah, I'm going to start recording my phone right now, okay? Now we started now. Now, what you need to do, guys, to get 1000 TikTok followers, first, go to your TikTok, open your TikTok, okay? And let me just switch to my another account. As you can see, this is my second account. As you can see, it has 70,000 followers. And in this video, I'm also going to show you how you can get millions of views. As you can see, you get 800 views, 300 views, 400 views, and they don't even do anything. I just talk, okay? And I'm going to show you how you can do that in the video. But first, let me show you guys how you can get followers first, because I know a lot of you guys want to get followers. That's why I'm going to show you guys how you can get followers right now. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on search. You want to click on explore here. In the left, you want to click on export, and in the top, you want to search for this name. This is the name. It's called Mohammed Maftool TikTok, okay? It's my name, and add to it TikTok, okay? Now, like I said, just search for Mohammed Maftool TikTok. I am going to add the name in the screen, okay? This is the name. Click search, and this is the profile that you have to click on. Now, this is not a follow unfollow. It will make sense in a few seconds, okay? Now, this is the profile that I have created just a few minutes ago. Make sure it has the same picture, because a lot of fake people have the same name. A lot of people created the same account, okay? You want to click on this one. As you can see, this is the username, okay? By the time you are watching this video, this account will have a lot of followers, so you want to make sure you click on the same username, okay? It says here BM IAT, okay? This is the username, and this is the name in the top, okay? And make sure it follows 20 people. Now, you want to click on these 20 people that I am following. Click on it, and what you need to do now, you want to follow all these people, okay? Follow all these people and wait 10 seconds. If you don't wait 10 seconds, TikTok will say that you are following too fast, and you will have to wait 24 hours. Now, you want to follow all these people and wait 20 seconds, okay? The old method was to follow 9 people, but now I have these are the most popular TikTokers in the world, okay? You want to follow all these people and wait 10 seconds exactly, and unfollow all these people again, okay? And I just unfollow all these people, And yeah, after you unfollow all these people, you want to wait again 10 seconds and you want to follow them all again, and do this as many times as you want, okay, until you get 1000 TikTok followers. Follow all these people, like all these people, follow them and wait 10 seconds and unfollow them all, and again wait 10 seconds, follow them all, wait 10 seconds and follow them all. 20 people, okay. Now yeah, that's it. Now let's say that you want to get a lot of views on your TikToks. Okay, let's talk about this right now. After you get 1000 TikTok followers, I'm going to show you how you can get views. Now as you can see, I have got like videos with a lot of views. I have another account, it has like millions of views. As you can see, this is my another account, and my videos got millions of views. Like I don't even upload on these videos on these TikToks anymore. There's 3 million views, yeah, 2 million views, as you can see here, 1,400,000, like a lot of views, and I don't even do anything, or I have no skills, I have nothing, I just talk in the video. Now the secret, guys, is watch time. So you might be wondering, what is watch time? So for example, if you made a 15 seconds video and people watch, let's say people watch only the half of the video, TikTok will not push that video to a lot of people, okay? So what I mean by that, let me explain to you guys what I mean by that. So I made this video exactly about this topic, about how you can get views on TikTok. And even if you don't want to do the work, I'm going to be showing you another way, okay, to get a lot of views without doing anything, okay? Now, I made this video explaining exactly how you can get millions of views on your TikToks, okay? So the secret here is, if you made a 15 seconds video and people watch the video till the end, you said something that made people watch the video till the end, TikTok will push that video to millions of people. But if you made a 15 seconds video and people only watch 6 seconds out of that 15 seconds, TikTok will say, okay, this video is not that interested, it didn't keep the viewer in the video as long as possible. So what I mean by that, guys, is you have to be smart about what you are going to say, how you can keep the viewer watching the video till the end, okay? That's the secret. Now if you don't want to do all this, you want to click the video in the screen right now, and it will explain to you every single thing, how you can get millions of views. Just click the video in the screen and it will help you guys get millions of views on TikTok, okay? Just click it right now and I will see you there, and you can leave a comment if you have any questions. Make sure you drop a like on this video if this video helped you, okay? Drop a like. See you guys next video.